And that is your view from your lanai. There is no kissing lanai. The back of this home does face southeast. Hello, welcome. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Hemingway in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello and welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Hemingway in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home with a 2-car garage. That home does have a roof that was replaced in the year 2014. It has a water heater that was replaced in the year 2024. And the HVAC system was replaced in the year 2021. I first will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. This is panning left. I will include a pop-up box to let you know what direction it is. This is panning right. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. The first thing I notice, this home has a very deep setback, very mature trees as well. This home is very well kept. It has a cement driveway that is in very good condition, and you can see that it has mature landscaping. And this home is very well kept. As always, friends, if you have any questions about the home, please contact Jim McCallum at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do notice it has stone landscaping. The sidewalk is concrete and in very good condition. There is a better view of that roof. That was replaced in the year 2014. It does have a front seating area as well. Very good condition. That is your front seating area. And it has a glass door. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this laminate floor. I notice the neutral coloring. I also notice the cathedral ceiling, very high cathedral ceiling with knockdown texture. This home, the back of this home does face southeast. Off to the right, friends, you will see a guest quarters with a sliding pocket door. You can close that pocket door for privacy. This home does have a split bedroom design. The primary bedroom is on the opposite side. Here in the guest quarters, you do see a carpeted hallway. And you also see a carpeted guest bedroom. This carpeting is relatively new from what I was told. This home does have raised panel bifold doors on the closet. You can see that right there. Wire rack shelf. Very neutrally decorated. Here is the guest bathroom. That is a solid surface in the tub and shower surround. This guest bathroom does have oak cabinets, Formica countertops, one sink, knockdown texture on the ceilings as well. Here is your linen closet for this guest bathroom. That is your linen closet. It's very deep. It's a very deep linen closet. To the back of the house, you do have another guest bedroom. Same neutral carpeting, knockdown texture on the ceiling. As I spin around, you do have a closet in this bedroom. You also have a door that leads out into the lanai in this guest bedroom as well. Very neutral paint. I will walk out to the lanai area after I give you a panoramic view of that kitchen. Very high ceilings with recessed lighting. Here's the lanai. Does have cement that is in very good condition. This home is very neutral. Floor to ceiling screens and windows. I believe those are acrylic or glass windows. And that is your view from your lanai. There is no kissing lanai. The back of this home does face southeast. This home does have a cement or concrete patio that you could use for a barbecue. This is the back of your home, friends. That is your roof line. That roof was replaced in the year 2014. This is the side of your home, friends. That would be facing northwest. Let's go inside into the home and show you the rest of this home. I will show you the kitchen next. Here I am off to the kitchen. You do see the kitchen has an electric stove, Formica countertops, oak cabinets with white hardware. It has a single bowl stainless sink. That is your island. It has an island as well. I will video the specification sheet to let you know where this home is located. This home is located in the village of Hemingway at 885 Nash Loop. List price $334,800. Please feel free to pause the specification sheet if you want more information. I will turn the specification sheet over as well. Your room dimensions, the primary bedroom is 15 by 13. Thank you, love, for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. As always, if you have questions about the home, please contact Jim McCallum. That is his contact information at Berkshire Hathaway. Let's go through the rest of the home. That is the primary bedroom, which is on the opposite side of the home as your guest quarters. Does have that same neutral carpeting that is newer. Knockdown texture ceilings, very neutrally painted as well. I will go here and turn around and show you what it has a walk-in closet off to the left, and it has a primary bathroom. Very deep walk-in closet with carpeting, wire rack shelf as well. That's a very large closet. There is your primary bathroom. It has linoleum floors. It has a shower with a swinging glass door. That is your shower right there. That shower is plastic or fiberglass. It has a separate commode space as well with a window above the commode space. It has oak cabinets with brushed stainless hardware, 2 sinks, very large mirror, knockdown texture. I will show you the linen closet here in the primary bathroom. That is your linen closet right there, friends. Wire rack shelf. Let's walk through and I'll show you the garage. It is an attached 2-car garage. It does have inside laundry. That is linoleum floors. Your mechanicals are in your laundry room right there. That is a door that leads into the garage. Cement floor, 2-car garage. That golf cart is an electric golf cart that is included in the sales price of this home. Very good condition, the concrete floors. These cabinets do also go with the home. There is your hot water heater right there, friends. That was replaced in 2024. Does have a sink as well. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk out of the home. I will exit the home, and I will give you one last panoramic view of this home. This is your living area space right here. Give you a little bit of perspective of what this looks like. Very nice home. In the village of Hemingway, list price $334,800. Let's now exit the home. Show you what we have here. There we are, exiting the home. Very deep setback. That is panning left. That is panning right. As always, friends, please contact your listing agent. His contact information is right here. Jim McCallum with Berkshire Hathaway. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will spin around and show you one last panoramic view. That is facing west, friends. That is your home, and that is facing east. That is your home, friends. List price $334,800 here in the village of Hemingway. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed home with a 2-car garage. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this home tour with me here in the village of Hemingway in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home is wood framed. Have a great weekend. Take care.